Hi, I'm Kira from My Fussy Eater and welcome to my channel where today we're going to make this really healthy and so easy strawberry sorbet. So first up, if you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe to my channel. I make 2 brand new videos every week and I have loads of ideas and recipes for feeding your family, so click that subscribe button. Okay, so on with today's recipe, and this one really is super simple and it's really healthy too. It makes a great snack or dessert for kids. It has 3 very simple, all natural ingredients and I guarantee you that they are going to love this one. Okay, so what you're going to need is 300 grams or about 2.5 cups of frozen strawberries. You're going to need 180 ml or about 3/4 of a cup of water and also 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. So what you're going to need to do is add all those ingredients to a food processor or to a blender and you're going to blitz. Now start off first of all with just probably about half the amount of water. See how much you need. If you still have kind of hard lumps of strawberry, if it's still quite thick, add another little bit, but you might not need the full amount. And once all those strawberries have blitzed up, you will have this lovely thick kind of consistency to the sorbet. Now you can serve it straight away. If it's a bit too soft, you can pop it into a plastic box or some kind of container, cover it and then put it in the freezer to firm up. If you leave it in the freezer for a few hours, it obviously will go quite solid. So what you'll need to do is to leave it at maybe about 20 minutes before you serve it. And that is it. Super simple, but also really healthy and great for the whole family. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below as well what kind of videos you'd like to see me make in the coming weeks. So if there's particular recipes or if it's more snack or meal ideas, let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe and go check out myfussyeater.com for lots more healthy eating tips and recipes. And I'll see you next time. My recipes or one of my tricks or hacks that I use for dealing with a flu-ridden house. It's my honey, lemon and ginger jar. Now this